In today's video, we are going to talk about ZeroTier VPN. So let's get started. We will review all of its details. ZeroTier is a highly regarded VPN alternative that creates a virtualized network or the internet, making it easy to connect devices securely without opening ports. Now, it is easy to use and its setup is very quick and remote access without the complexity of traditional VPNs. It functions like a virtual Ethernet switch, enabling devices on the ZeroTier network to see each other as if they are on the same local network. It employs a zero trust security model and 256-bit end-to-end encryption to secure all data. ZeroTier is compatible with all major operating systems including Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android, and some NAS devices. A free plan is available for up to 10 devices, and paid plans are affordable for larger needs. It offers more customization than some alternatives and can be used for more complex networking needs. Now let's talk about cons. Some users find that configuring routing between the ZeroTier network and their physical local network can be challenging. The mobile app has been criticized for lacking features like always-on VPN and the ability to connect to multiple networks simultaneously. Some users have had to rely on community forums to solve issues not covered in the official documentation. ZeroTier is not designed for spoofing your location to access geo-restricted content. So who is ZeroTier for? It is for home users, small businesses, and tech enthusiasts, and home lab users. And that's all about ZeroTier. Don't forget to like and subscribe.